Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. After the other night, it was Saturday night, last Saturday night when we had a gig, our rear tyre exploded on the trailer. Let me show you the remainders of it. Yeah, check this out, guys. Let me put that in there. So yeah, this is what happens. So what we've done, we've bought 4 brand new wheels and tyres, because these wheels are a bit rusty, as you can see on the backs. Don't really trust it because we carry a lot of weight in this trailer. I'm just inspecting these other, can you see where they're just starting to break up like? These have got really bad. Same with this one as well. So we thought we'd replace the whole lot. So they've arrived. Yeah, they look like the right ones. Yeah, there's a bit of a difference there. They look great. So the 2 wheels and tyres in each box. 165s as well. Heavy duty. Right guys, there's the new wheels and tyres on this side. The next job we're going to check the tyre pressures as well. Yeah guys, it's really important to check your tyres, especially when you're carrying heavy loads like we do. That's just a little bit of it. We've got the electrician round today. He's going through all the electrics, all the amps and everything, because we need a part test certificate for all the hotels we play in and that. Yeah, these are quite handy, these Milwaukee inflators. I'm just going to check the tyre pressures to make sure we're bang on there. See what it's reading. So they've come with 61, which I think that's pretty cool. Let's check this one. Yeah, don't automatically assume that the tyre pressures are going to be correct because you've got new wheels and tyres going to be replaced. Best to check. It's alright, 62. Pound here or there, doesn't really matter. Yeah, they're really handy these. It's a good job I did have it in the car because I had to put air into the spare tyre. Right guys, let's inspect these wheels and tyres I've taken off. As you can see, that's about to go as well. There's the back sides as well. But okay, even if you look at your front sides, your back sides might be like this. So check both sides. I mean, that's well to be replaced. Obviously, look at that one. Oh. Right, which one could I use as a spares emergency? Can you see where it's all starting to disintegrate here? that for a spare. Yeah, that's not too bad for a spare, I reckon, just for an emergency. So we'll use that one. What's this one like? I really want 2 spares, especially if we're doing the European jobs. That's not too bad either. I could use them. That one's knackered. And the spare I have on the front's not too bad. So I've got 3 tyres I could use as spares. Right guys, that's all the wheels and tyres on now. We're just trying to help you guys out. This is what it's all about. But like I say, check your wheels and tyres if you've got an iforwilliams. This is a 10 foot by 5 foot trailer, box trailer. They are really good, but just check your tyres. You don't want to blow out on the middle of the motorway. I was quite lucky really, because I was quite near a lay-by, so I was just literally driving on it for about a minute before I pulled over. But yeah, on that note, see you tomorrow.